If we have a plus and a minus next to each other, we know we turn that into a minus sign, okay? Today what we're going to be doing is subtracting a negative, which is when we have two minus signs next to each other, and that makes a plus, okay? The rule in general is if the signs are different, so one's a plus, one's a minus, you get a minus. If the signs are the same, then you get a plus. So technically if you had two pluses next to each other, you would get a positive answer. You'd be adding as well, okay? So this first little example up here, I have these two minuses. They've got to be right next to each other though, okay? It doesn't mean, like I had in my quiz, -6, then -3. The two minus signs aren't next to each other. If they are right next to each other like this, nothing, no numbers in between, then those two symbols we circle and they become a plus. So it is 5 plus 2, which equals 7. Okay? So like always, we have the number line there for those of you who need it. And if you were one of the people who was made a couple of errors in that quiz, maybe you need to rely on your number line a little bit more just to make sure that you're going the right way. Okay? So, question 1. We have 5 minus -7. So the two minuses next to each other are going to become a plus. So it is simply 5 plus 7. Okay, we're starting at the 5 here, and we want to go 7 to the right, getting bigger. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I would need to go 11 and 12 up here. So that is equal to 12. So always look out for the double signs first. In the next one, 3 minus, so those two minuses make a plus, and it is now 3 plus 8, which means I start at the 3, and I go 8 to the positive side. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, means I'm at the 11. Question 3, 1 minus, circle it, turn it into a plus. So 1 plus 5 makes 6. Hopefully we know that one. Question 4, 1 minus, circle it, makes a plus. 1 plus 3 is 4. Question 5, 2 minus, always circle it, make it a plus. 2 plus 2 is 4. Question 6, 1 minus makes a plus. So it's really 1 plus 6 is 7. Question 7, 3 minus, make it a plus. So it's 3 plus 7, which is 10. Okay, these ones aren't too bad because we're not really working with any negative numbers here at all. We're just, once we turn them into a plus sign, we're just adding normal numbers, aren't we? Okay, and 8, same deal. The two minuses become a plus, and so it's 5 plus another 1 is 6. These last few, though, do have some minus signs still in there once we do our double symbol. So question 9, -6. The minus becomes a plus, but I'm starting at, where's my number line? I'm starting at -6 down here, and I want to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I end up at -1. Okay, so it doesn't mean that all of your answers are going to be positive for these. Okay, and the next one, the two minuses become a plus. -7 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at -2. Question 11, circle the two minuses to make a plus. -4 is here, and I want to go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which means we end up at 4. And last one, circle the two minuses, it becomes a plus. -3 is here. I want to plus 2, 1, 2. My answer is -1. Okay, this is the last sheet that we're going to do. that is adding and subtracting integers. Next time we're going to be going on to multiplying and dividing, which has different rules. Okay, so I want to practice these ones and make sure you're fairly confident so we don't get confused next lesson. So your worksheet to do is worksheet number 9. It is 3 pages. So the first 2 pages, just the tables here to fill in. Got 1.5 pages really of those. And then you have a puzzle.
No.
Yay.
No. Why did you take away sunglasses?
Well, you have